Erica Fernandez and this is Power Hour, powered by Huawei Smartwatch GT6 series. So I have been cycling, I have been doing everything, sleeping, living with this watch practically, and the GT6, it doesn't just count steps. It tracks my recovery, sleep, and even stress. It tracks everything while I'm biking, walking, sleeping, or swimming, or even if I pass out, doing all of the above. Let's see what my morning ride looks like. Not too bad. I'll take this. Today we have a guest who is confident, who's strong, who is unstoppable. She's an actor, she's an entrepreneur, and if I had to define her in just 2 words, it would be confident and fearless. Parul Gulati.
Okay, I did this mud-a-thon which is like a triathlon.
You can't talk while doing planks.
You drive, right?
Yeah.
That's it. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's like either you do a revenge body, but I was already at revenge body. So now I was taking revenge with myself.
La 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 la. We are dancing, we are doing ballet.
Mandari banaye fere.
I can dance.
Pyar pen karda gabo.
So tell us that one healthy food or a dish that you think is overrated.
Oh God, people are going to hate me for it.
Hi.
How
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Are we ready for some sass and sweat?
Depends on how much.
Let's shake it off a bit before we start the heavy lifting with the questions. Let's do some warm-up while I ask you some warm-up questions too.
Okay.
What is your relationship with workout like? Is it like a love marriage or a forced marriage?
Oh God, it's a love marriage, but kind of like a situationship. So when I'm there, I'm doing it.
Then you're not, you're not.
It's just
Okay.
I need time for it.
Situationship being your Gen Z inspiration?
Not really, just lately not having time. I think that kills it, no?
Yeah. And what is that one move, your go-to move that shakes off any kind of laziness?
I don't know, just jumping jacks a little, not but in the middle of the whatever, let's say a meeting, I'm just like, I want to shake it out.
Then what is that? Do you have anything between the meeting that you would like to do? Like, yeah, come on, let's do this. Do you have anything like that?
I think instead I kind of go like I like pushing my pelvis in front just to like sometimes relax a bit.
With the back?
Oh yeah, this really helps. You can just lean
Let me
back.
try that.
You don't have to face anybody. If someone's really bothering you, you don't want to see them, just go like, don't care. I'll just tell you, this really opens you up. Just doing this as a stretch, and you'll feel it
Feel
on
the hamstring.
hamstring too, and your lower back.
Let's try
You
this,
can
guys.
just do this. Just keep your hands here.
Okay.
Just go forward. And then just forward. This
Okay, yeah, I can feel this here.
Yes, and it opens up the back. It just relaxes.
That's nice.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. And the back. Mama, I need a new set of back.
See, this just takes away all the tension from the lower back, from
It
hamstrings, from your pelvis area.
I feel nice. Warmed up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
We're ready. Are we ready? We're ready? So what do you feel? You know, discipline is something that comes natural, or it's something that you learn over time?
I think you learn over time, because no matter what someone will tell you or how to do, what to do, it has to be from
Within.
inside, from within.
Wow,
It'll
you
take
can
your
really
time.
stretch.
But we're going to do a little bit of legs, okay?
You can see my legs, right?
You can use the support here too.
Wow. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to be really sore.
No, you'll be opened up after this.
So what do you feel, you know, that fitness is something, like you feel the pressure of looking fit or feeling fit?
I think feeling fit, because lately I've been feeling I'm getting tired, I'm not getting enough time to go to the gym, and I wish I would have been feeling much better. And you feel strengthened.
That's
you
right.
feel you have the power to, you feel powerful when you work out.
You also have, it's a different kind of energy, right? Like you wake up do you work out in the mornings or evenings?
Oh, depends. I prefer to work out in the mornings,
Uh-huh.
because then you start your day with the workout. You
feel
really good
energized.
throughout the day, yes.
All right. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, do you have a training buddy like you have me today, or you work out solo?
It depends if anybody is available. I love working out with somebody.
Oh yeah, when I do
Feel
the
more
same. Yeah,
motivated,
yeah.
right?
I hate working out alone, and that's why
Like,
I'm not. Now today I'm working out. Yeah.
have a show where you work out.
Yeah. Now yeah. That is why I have a companion today, and we're working out. Yay!
So I like doing this treadmill workout.
Okay.
And I think that's the best to do when you're alone. You don't want to face.
But you have
anybody.
me now.
In general, like I'm just telling you, this is my favorite workout because I also don't like working out alone.
So you just love running
No, I do full leg workout on.
on a treadmill. Okay, let's see how you do that.
Yeah.
So what do you start with and how do you go about?
Like doing jump squats on the treadmill. Now let's move.
Jump squats on the treadmill.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. For me?
Get it to the speed of 1.8
Yeah, I am there.
and gradient 6.
6.
6 or 7, both are there. Because
Okay.
when it's elevated, it's great for your knees. You're not just jumping on a flat surface.
All right.
Okay, so we go like this.
Oh, wow, okay. Interesting. I hope.
Just on your back. So just watch me once. You just bend down and then the hips are going.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. It's very tough on a treadmill.
We'll do lunges. That's the
Okay.
easiest. Walking lunges on this.
Okay.
You hold here or onto the side where you're comfortable. And we just go into a lunge.
My legs are long.
You can reduce the speed. Yeah, perfect. You're doing it really well.
So tell me, Parul, what is that one workout move that humbles you to the core? Like, no matter how fit you are.
It's lunges most of the time. So I don't have to force myself. But I can't do weighted lunges or just like normal standing lunges. Walking lunges is still better.
Yeah, I mean, like, the weighted lunges puts a lot more pressure on your legs.
Yeah.
But it's also fun.
So let's move to back kicks now.
Okay.
Okay. Just kick.
La 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 la. We are dancing, we are doing ballet. So, Parul, what is your approach to fitness goals? Is it like chasing the results, or enjoying the process?
I think it depends. I'll be very honest. Especially when you're preparing for something, then you're chasing the result.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're doing it for yourself because then you're not working out for something, right?
Okay,
Or
so
in your fitness.
So is there any off-screen role or on-screen role that has actually pushed your physical fitness to a certain point?
Oh my God.
Was there any
It was
role
a
like that?
TV commercial. I
Okay.
won't say, but I had to wear a bikini.
Uh-huh.
And I was told 3 weeks before the shoot, I stopped eating. I was only on protein. I was having tofu and I'm vegetarian.
Yeah.
Only eggs, tofu, and vegetables. Nothing else. No bread, no rice. Working out twice a day.
Uh-huh.
And 3 weeks later, they removed me from the shoot. So
No.
then
Why?
I don't know. They were just like, we'll do this without you. I think we'll take you in something else because we had already signed a contract.
Oh,
It was very embarrassing, but it was so heartbreaking because I never put in so much hard work for
Anything?
for anything in terms of
To look a
visually
certain
look
way.
a certain way. And I think after that, I stopped working out a little bit because I was just a little
Discouraged.
angry. I was a little angry. I was like, why would they do this to me? And
But then didn't it help you feel better, look better?
it did, but it was also like a little heartbreak. So it's like either you do a revenge body, but I was already at revenge body. So now I was taking revenge with myself.
I be like, fuck with your hurt, your body's out of control. Pussy wrapped in African gold. St. Jules on my chest, got my foot on your neck. Look, I don't play by mine, fuck what you say about mine. You know I'm big stepping, walking through the door. And when I'm getting money, yeah, I'ma get some more. And they be like, who that, we that, who that, we that, who that. Take a picture, baby, let me step back.
Like on the right.
Yeah, I understand that.
You don't have to throw that leg. Yeah, you just throw this leg this side. Yes. Perfect.
Doing shit, now drop it to the floor and let them know that you a real bad bitch. Pick it up, look at the way that pussy talking. I'ma talk back in the dumb. Now fuck what you heard, that bad is out of control. Rap.
Perfect.
Has there been a time where you've kind of surprised yourself with your fitness? Like, oh, this is the fittest I've ever been. Wow.
Oh God, long ago, but that's like long ago, okay? I did this marathon.
Marathon?
Which is like a triathlon.
Okay.
Where you are running, climbing, and I was the first person to finish it.
Okay.
But also because they let few people out and I was the first one to
Get out. Oh.
But then, I mean, there were a lot of men behind me. I was the first one to cross it and I felt the strongest ever. And while I was climbing down with a rope, it scratched me till date. I have a mark. It just didn't go. And this is some 6-7 years ago. That's when I was like, oh my God, I can do everything. Yeah, I'm strong.
So, what is that song that keeps you going in the gym? Like, that gives you that energy, that kick?
So there's this song called Gabru. It's my running song.
How does it go?
It goes like, Mundari banai fire.
I can dance.
Na 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 na.
That's my workout.
Pyar tenu karda hai Gabru.
But that's so, yeah, it has.
Right now, I don't know why Naade Dil Pardesi Nu is playing in my head.
Okay.
I don't know why. It's only Punjabi songs play in my mind album.
Punjabi
all the
Kudi,
time.
that is
Punjabi Kudi I am. So yeah, I started running to that song.
Now let's run off this place because this is tougher than it actually looks. So let's go to the other section and make things a little tougher. Little.
Cool, let's go.
I'm like Martin Luther King, I got a dream. Catch me scrolling through the paper, not the screen. Yeah, I made it out the mud, I'm so pristine. I know cash was everything, I'm rocking cream. Ain't no fatiguing, got no fear, ain't no retreating shit. I talk to God, but got a stick, okay, I'm keeping it.
So what are we doing with these?
This is easy peasy Gadi Chalana. You drive, right?
Yeah.
That's it. So yeah, and it'll work your shoulders like crazy, like you'll get.
बस गाड़ी चलाना है.
Gadi Chalana, bas, yeah.
Okay.
So we go up and go 1, 2, 1,
Oh
2.
mama, ये कौन सा गाड़ी है?
Let's go for the responsible us. Let's go. 2, 1, 2, and back.
Whoa.
1, 2, 1, 2. And you want to make it difficult?
No.
Okay, we'll stick to this.
Okay, what's a difficult one?
So we go from here to here to here to here to here. Or you lift it here and then just go a little up and down. In the same area. Okay, just bring it here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
It's a war outside, but I ain't hiding from it. Got that PTSD, it's got me wired from it. Whole world on fire, somebody find something. Beat them enemy lines, and now my pride is coming.
This was a wake-up call, you know. I need to start working out regularly. And you know what's the funniest part?
Yeah.
I have not charged this watch since over 2 weeks and it has more energy than me. Yeah, look.
You have great energy and so does this watch.
It has more than me.
Start now.
This?
Yeah. No weight at all.
There is one. Just one. Just
We
one.
get Erica to work out by the end of this entire season, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, go Erica, go Erica.
It's time for Beat the Clock Challenge. Let's see how this 60-second challenge is handled by the smartwatch Huawei GT6 series. Are you ready for this?
Okay.
Okay, so Parul has chosen planks and spider crunch. Now let me see if I can beat you to your own choice. Let's see. So let's set the timer to 60 seconds. All right, let's go. And let's go. Oh, mia.
I see some dying, they ain't never coming back again. They was busting shots if no one bleed, they double back again. I ain't talking.
You can't talk while doing planks.
That's very hard.
But sometimes it feel Afghanistan.
We have to concentrate. We have to concentrate so hard. Whatever.
Let's go.
They don't fight no more, they gotta burn their shit and bother them. I say out the way, I'm trying to put on for my mama and them. tell them this is draft day. In my pocket, celebrate, this is my last day. Wait.
Wow, it feels the longest today.
No more walk around depressing with a sad.
Time out. You did great, okay?
Please track my sleep.
This is my favorite cool down.
Yeah.
The best. Shavasana.
You know what? This tracks sleep while we're resting right now.
Yeah.
But it also tracks heartbeat, calories, muscle load, all kinds of stats.
Wow.
And it's cool, right?
Should I put you to a challenge who can sleep more?
Oh yeah, let's go.
This was the
Wake me up when
fastest.
November ends. So,
Almost what Erica's had.
yeah.
I've done many kilometers, by the way.
Wow. So with your whole workout tracking and everything, it also tracks sleep, you know that? Different levels of sleep.
Yeah.
Your sleep, then REM, recovery, everything. So it tells you where you need to improve with your sleep.
Wow.
Super cool, na?
How did you sleep last night? Did it tell you?
Yeah, it told me. It said I was exhausted last night. So it like showed how much I slept. I slept like a baby. So Parul, tell me, like, you have a lot on your plate. You're working so hard. You're an entrepreneur. You're an actor. You're a daughter. You're a girlfriend. You're a lot of things, and you have to do a lot of things. So what is that one thing or that helps you just switch off from the world and just your me time?
Oh, wow. I think it comes from within where I just have to tell myself, Farah, you need some me time, alone time. Sometimes it's crazy. Sometimes in my own house, I just go in the toilet and I lock myself and I'm just like there in front of the mirror and like talking to myself, and that's like just the best 2 minutes of my day at times.
Just being by yourself in the bathroom?
It's longest run ever, by the way. This is motivating me.
Do you like experience any difference, any notice when you really like slept well, when you've had that baby sleep?
Oh God, brain works so much better. Heart.
You're fresher, you feel lighter.
Yeah. I don't mind sleeping during the day too. It feels the best. The day naps feels like you're cheating on life.
Yeah.
And just sleeping, and it feels so good. That's the best way of cheating.
So do you like taking that midday naps, power naps?
Not
Not
very
really.
well, but see, you realize being an actor, especially when you're
Sometimes
working
you need
crazy
to.
hours, you train yourself in a way that you can sleep anywhere.
Not
Did it happen
really.
with you?
No,
never
not with
on
me.
set. You would never crash on set.
I would actually do that. I would take my lunch break for that 1 hour power nap. That's the only time, because I would have my lunch and everything before. So I used to eat early. By 12 I has to be done with my lunch, and by 7:38 has to be done. Before that, done with my dinner.
Yeah.
So what break times we used to have on set, I used to be like, I wish I had this watch then. I would have actually tracked my sleep there.
Oh my God.
We all know that you're like so much on social media, making all your niche hair videos and everything. So does social media affect your sense of wellness? Does it give you the time to go to the gym? Like, do you have a routine every day?
Wow, that's a great question. I think that is the reason I think that's taking me away from my routine. I've put a timer on my gram lately because I just get consumed in it. But I think it does a little bit, and I acknowledge it, but I'm not doing anything about it. Maybe this was my wake up call.
Yeah, this is a wake up call for me and wake up call for you too. Do you love food? Would you like to go for healthy food, or would you like to binge on something that's just your comfort zone?
I eat to survive, so whatever I find at the moment, because I'm vegetarian, so
You just give her Maggie, you give her a piece of bread, you give her anything. She'll just
Yeah.
eat it because she has to survive.
and I'm very grateful whatever food I get. Really. So only when I'm like working towards a fitness goal or something, then
Then
I'm
you
watching
have
my food. Otherwise, I'm like whatever I get, it should just give
So when
me
you-
enough energy.
When you watch your food, what's the kind of food you eat?
At that point, I try to remove bread and rice from my
Carbs,
carbs,
gluten and carbs.
gluten, carbs. But just like in general language, roti nahi, chawal nahi, nothing.
So you just have sabzi as is.
I switched to a different atta, if that
Okay,
makes
okay, like
sense.
millets and
Like
stuff.
if I'm having different bread, yeah. But just if I need to really watch my food, I completely remove carbs. Yeah.
What is that weird trend that you followed just because it was actually a trend?
God, this is long ago. Okay, I read somewhere Beyonce was on this diet.
Okay, what diet?
It was nothing. It was just crazy. It was maple syrup. It was apple cider vinegar. There was no food in it.
No, one second. Maple syrup with apple cider
No,
vinegar?
no, this is like throughout the day you just have to have either maple syrup
Or
apple cider vinegar, or I think
Egg?
there was peanuts. No, there was no food. And I
Wow.
starved myself because there was like some sort of cleanse, and they said if you do that for 12 days.
Was it actually, did it actually come from Beyonce or just a random person said, oh, Beyonce did this?
Talking about 2010. I
So
read
the-
this somewhere.
So it
And I
was not,
wanted
it
to do
didn't
it.
come. There was no.
I have no idea. I read it somewhere off of Google. Google was new then, okay?
You know, even when we are at our fittest, we want to get even more fit. I don't understand that, but that's just a phase, guys. It will pass.
Yeah, all the teenagers, I think they should just be. Oh my God, I miss those days now. I really.
Tell us that one healthy food or a dish that you think is overrated.
Oh God, people are going to hate me for it.
Why don't say avocado toast?
Avocado. I was going to say avocado, not even toast.
And the last question is, what is a ritual you follow after a nice workout?
Oh, there's no ritual as such. I just go back home and have good food.
Right after a workout, you go and
I
like,
mean, it takes 10 minutes for me to go
go.
up and, figure my things, shower. Okay, shower is a ritual. I love to shower after workout. I'm not dirty.
thank you so much for being on this show. It was lovely to have you. No, let's
We
get
can
up.
do one stretch in this too.
Let's get up.
We can, no.
1, 2, keep your legs together. 1, 2, 3. Bye, guys.
We're getting our food and maybe shower separately.
So guys, this is a wrap on Power Hour presented by Huawei Watch GT6 series. And guys, we did it all. We laughed, we lifted, and most importantly, we recovered. And all of this was tracked by this smartly. So this is not only for tracking, it's for knowing yourself better. So next time, just power through while I go track my sleep. See you guys.